Okay, so now we start learning HTML today, and for that I have to create a folder here. Like I'm creating a hello world app. You can name it anything, and double tap here. Let's go back, and this folder I can open this into my Visual Studio Code. Here we go. Okay, so here in this I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to save it as index.html. okay, so that's it. Saved it, and you can see that it's working fine. And if I go there, open this, here you can see that's file. And if you double tap this will open into the browser. So you can see that in your hello world there is index.html, which is your file, and in the title of this HTML page is index.html by default. So let's see how can we work into this. So here is our index.html, and we first write that exclamation doc type HTML. What does it mean? This means that we are using the latest version of the HTML. So right now it's HTML5, so we are actually using HTML5. Okay guys, so as you all know that HTML is a hypertext markup language. So what is a hypertext markup language? So there are some markups that tells that this tag starts from a point and ends to a point, right? So everything in the HTML is just a markup. So we can start our document means HTML, so we can start our HTML and end it first. Okay, whenever you open a tag you have to close it first and then write the inner code. Never do a practice like you are writing a code into it and then closing the tag. No, first close the tag and then write your code into it. Okay, so you have write HTML tag. In HTML there is two things, like in human we have head and body. So similarly we have head and body in the HTML as well. Okay, you can see this. In body we can write our message like hello world. Yes, and now just save this. If I save this file and run onto the browser, you can see this, that we have the hello world. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see this, that we have the hello world. If you change the text from India and now see this, yeah, it's working. So whatever you write into the body will reflect here into the white page of this file. Okay, now what about this? This is the index.html. This is the title of your page. So the title can be written into the head section of the HTML. So you can write like title hello world app. And now if you save this and go to that page and refresh it, you can see that there is hello world app. Okay, so we have two things. Whatever we're writing into the body will reflect on this white space, but whatever we are writing in the head won't reflect on this space. The only thing which is written into the title will reflect here on this space. Okay, so these are the things that we have now understand about the HTML. So HTML is basically a markup language. So here we start the HTML tag and close the HTML tag. In the HTML tag we have two things like head and body. So in body whatever we have written is the content of the page, and that will be reflected on this white space. And in head we can have the title of the page, that is hello world app, and we can easily see here. So that is all about the first session of HTML. This is the basic syntax of HTML.